I'm nervous. I'm doing it. I'm updating this Fiery. It's been slowing down lately, so that to me tells me that something needs to be cleaned up. So I deleted all the past jobs and everything, and have been applying all the patches and updates in hopes that it'll speed back up. But who knows? I always expect problems when I do that. Man, and why is it? Every time I get an envelope order and I print envelopes, like one day later, basically after I put the fuser back in, I get another envelope order. Why can't everybody order at once? That's all right, I'll take it. You know what's even worse yet? When you realize you don't have enough envelopes to print the whole job, so right after you put it in, you gotta take that envelope fuser back out. Some days are a little more rough than others. Well, at least this is progressing. This is like the third time it's restarted. Okay, the update to the Fiery is finished, and it seriously helped out. It's so much faster now. It installed several patches, and I also deleted like all past jobs and cleaned all that out. And this Fiery here, I had like 8 gigabytes worth of old files in there that I cleared out, and I'm gonna upgrade that as well. So as long as it's working, I'm just gonna upgrade everything, then it's all done. Mailer here that needs to get folded in half twice. Get the MBO set up for that, but it's bleed on all 4 sides, so we gotta trim it down first. After it's all folded, we need to tab it, and I want to get that to the post office today. Fun fact, if you're trying to buy toner for 1070s, 3070s, 2070, you cannot buy toner for those machines in the United States right now. They're sold out completely. I know it's been on back order for a few months now, but now everybody's sold out. So whatever you got, hopefully that's gonna last you for a while. I have a nice little stack, but still 2 or 3 busy weeks and I'll be out. So gotta try and think of some other alternatives just in case I actually run out, because that would be bad. Okay, that was really weird. I typically only tab right here where the tabber sits, but I thought it'd be nice to multitask and fold and tab at the same time, even though folding's not going to take long at all. But this tabber was doing all kinds of crazy stuff, just like completely freezing and stopping. And then at the end there, it shot out like 30 tabs on one mail piece. So I moved it back over here because I was suspicious if, I don't know, if the lighting is different. I need to recalibrate the sensors for that location. Maybe it's too bright over there, but anyways, I move it back here and it runs fine. So, weird. Okay, so if you noticed in the first time lapse, I had 2 times that papers jammed up here. They weren't coming through to the second right angle fold here. And that was because they weren't moving forward quick enough. And what I did is I just pulled a weighted ball out of here and I put it here, so it gives it a little bit more motion this way into the right angle fold. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you right now what it looks like with and without that, so you can see. First I'll show you how it was without that there. We'll just set it there and you'll see how they don't advance quite as much. And then I'll put that ball there and you'll see how they come in a lot faster. Only got a couple more rolls of that left. I say it again every time that I run a large amount of tabs on here, which is like once a year. It's not that often. I say I need to upgrade. I gotta make it happen. Run out of those and it's time for an upgrade. Everything's tab ready to roll. I'm gonna take those up to the post office, turn this on so it's hot by the time I get back, and I got some binding to do. Just like that, I'm back. I got 3 hours. 3.5. We're gonna see how much I can get done. So it's kind of crazy to think that that might be the last toner I get for quite a while. And as I've been working, I've been trying to think about what I'm going to do to position myself so that that's not a reason that I have to stop printing. And there's multiple options, which, by the way, comment below if you have some ideas of how you're dealing with it. But if I need to buy another machine that I can get toner for, I might have to do that. Could I buy toner for other machines and put it into these bottles for my machine, as long as it's somewhat compatible? Might have to think about that. Maybe outsourcing some more. Either way, I mean, we'll figure something out. Hopefully everything gets shipped and the supplies get restocked so that we don't have a problem, but I'd like to kind of prepare for the worst case scenario just in case, but time will tell. I know I did just place an order from Alibaba directly from China, but it takes like a good month or 2 to get here, which I should be fine. But you know, I'm kind of eager to see how this pans out. Well, as that prints, I'm gonna stitch some booklets here. I have a little bit of time yet before the end of the day. If you have a secret place where you buy toner and you want to let me know, you know, shoot me an email, or put a comment if you want to tell everybody below. So thanks for watching. Appreciate everybody out there, and see you next time.